All right, thank you for joining. So today I would like to go over Cardano USDT on the Binance chart. If you did follow along on my last video, you'll notice that I did also do a review on Cardano, aka ADA, and I believe price was around right here, right? So what did I say? I said that we were touching the daily. I was going to expect a small retracement, more than likely to this fib level here. I believe that's the 0.5. Yep. And then we're going to get a move up into the golden pocket weekly and monthly, and also point of control, because that was the next major target. Now look at where we are currently. So we had a reaction off of the point of control. We have a small retracement. We are now trading right on the golden pocket here, right? So this is the golden pocket. Right above would be the monthly and weekly level, and we are attempting to flip the monthly and weekly level into support, right? So remember, this is a huge zone, and the moment that we get this zone to flip into support unanimously, right, then we can definitely expect higher prices. So we really need to see price come up and really start trading around here, right? Above the point of control would be even better, but the longer it stays above these levels, the more likely it will then start to push to higher prices, which would be the value area high, which is next, right? That's where this blue line is. So currently from where we are now, that would be an additional 6% move up. And then if that level is broken through and flipped into support, we're just going to follow what I drew last time. Then we're looking at the weekly and monthly high, which will also be a swing failure pattern, right? So this is really the next targets. ADA is looking beautiful. Price action is looking very nice. It's been a very slow coin, right? So ADA moves very slowly. It has some nice impulses, but this is a project where once you invest, you're really in it for the long haul. It's not going to be something like Solana where you just go get parabolic price movements day after day after day, but over time you will get nice gains, right? And it looks like we have a very nice monthly level right above too as well. So that looks like another key area, right? So this monthly level is now, let's see, from where we are now, this monthly is approximately 92% away, right? So that's a nice level to keep an eye out on. Let's go ahead and check the weekly. There's no other weekly levels in the way at all. So after we flip this weekly high and monthly high into support, from the current price, you're looking at 90%, 92%, like I said before, to the monthly, right? Now let's go ahead and see if there's any daily levels which we could keep an eye on. There are a few daily levels above, so let's go ahead and mark some of those out. So let's see here. We have a nice daily level here. That one's already been tapped. This one's been tapped. This is pretty much like an order block, right? So we had a massive sell-off, price came up, failed, came back down, tried to come up, failed. So this is a huge area of resistance right here, right? So where price will most likely react is going to be maybe somewhere in the middle there. Let me go ahead and flip these to daily. All right, and then we have another daily level right here before the monthly level. So these are the levels to really keep an eye on, around 89 cents, $1.04, $1.08, up to $1.15. And then after that, there's obviously more important levels above, but the ones that are the most important to me at the moment, just from looking at this chart, I would say this level is the most important because you had support, right below it, or right before. You had support right here, right? Massive support. As you can see, let me go ahead and zoom in here. So this, why didn't that work? Okay, so this was support. support, 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 failed, back tested as resistance, 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 right? So massive level. So this is going to be the most important level. This is a lot of support and resistance too as well, but I don't think it's as important as this level, because as you can see, rejection, rejection, resistance, right? Flipped into support, support, support. Price tried to continue higher, couldn't, then broke down, right? So this is a clear area where we had, this looks like about, let's go ahead and use this tool really quick. We had approximately, what's that, from March 23rd to April 6th. So about 14 days battling this level before price fell down. Here we have about 5 days, right? So 5 days playing around with this level before continuing lower. So this level is 3 times as more important as this level, in my opinion, right? So that's why I say it's good to really keep an eye on that level. I would keep an eye on this level mainly, 89 cents. That's where you can probably take some profits. If we flip that, I would really be holding this coin all the way up until the monthly level is tapped. And then obviously if that is flipped, we just keep on going. We go level by level. But as of right now, next major targets would be this weekly monthly high. If we could flip that, then the first daily is what's most important to me. And then you're talking an additional 75% from where we are now, and then like I said before, for the third time, 90% to the monthly. So Cardano, very straightforward. We're seeing how it's reacting right now. Right now it is currently selling off a little bit, trying to stay above, trying to stay at this level. It's not really above it, it's at this level. We might come down, get a nice reaction off of this daily as well, which has been flipped into support. I don't think we haven't even came back down to retest that level. So retesting this level does seem likely, and what that would really do is give ADA a chance to sweep some liquidity in that area before continuing higher, right? So something like this seems more probable. All right, so that's pretty much it with ADA. Great project. I see a lot more upside potential. Bull market is right around the corner. Make sure to use risk management when you trade. Also, don't forget, follow me on X. Okay, here's my handle. Twitter, X, same thing these days. Join my Telegram, it's free. I post my trade updates more recently. So I'll give updates on X about just things that look interesting, but my Telegram is where I would say, okay, I'm entering a trade now, and exiting a trade now. If you'd like to see the reasons why I enter those trades or exit the trades, that's where you can see those updates in my Telegram. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It will really, 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 really mean a lot. I think I only have like 37 subscribers. Obviously 100 is the goal for now, just like my Twitter or X. 94 followers, about 6 followers away. And then TradingView, definitely follow me on TradingView too as well, which I will update eventually. Also thinking about dropping a new logo soon. I really just got this from a coin that I was trading. If you can guess the coin in the comments below, I will have a surprise for you. Okay. So yeah, thank you for joining. ADA still looks bullish. Bullish price action, bullish market structure, and I just see price continuing to the upside. There's nothing really screaming out short at this moment, even though it is technically at resistance. But if we were to get a retracement, I would see a retracement down at this level, like I said before, 3%, 5% would be the next one, and then you have this trend line right here. But as of right now, I am currently more bullish than bearish. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time.